I can't think.
Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make ginger chutney. This ginger chutney is a very healthy chutney, good for digestion also. From kids age we have to make them practice to eat this. Ginger has lot of medicinal value. It helps for digestion also. One day if you have gone to restaurant or if you have eaten heavy food, you can eat this chutney for idli, dosa, or with rice also you can mix up and eat. You can store it in fridge for some days. So come, let's go into the video and see how to make this ginger chutney. This is the Andhra style recipe, and in Andhra they call this as allam chutney. Come, let's go into the video and see.
I can't think. What am I supposed to What am I supposed to do? I can't. What am I supposed to do?
So now on the stove heat the kadai, pour gingerly oil. So grease it once the oil is ready. First add chana dal, kadalaparuppu. Sort it nicely. Keep it in low flame. Fry till chana dal color changes to golden brown. This Bengal gram kadalaparuppu has high content of iron, folate, and so it helps to get rid of iron deficiency. It's extremely beneficial during menstruation or pregnancy, lactation time. It helps to improve the hemoglobin count also. It has good amount of fiber, especially good for diabetes, both type 1 and type 2. So now in this stage add coriander seeds, sort it well just for 1 or 2 minutes. And then add asafoetida, hing. This is a flavorful recipe. So this ginger chutney is a very simple and quick to make with available ingredients at home. Now add handful of curry leaves. Mix it well nicely. It is good to consume during monsoon winter time. It keeps your body warm. Now add red chillies also. If you have, you can add gundur red chilli. I don't have, so I am adding long red chillies. Now add chopped gingers, that 250 gram of chopped gingers. Ensure there is no mud in the ginger. Just cook it for 5 minutes. Just let it get cooked in medium or low flame itself. Now add required amount of salt. So you can turn off the stove. After it gets cooled down, you can transfer this to a mixer jar. Grind it as a fine paste. So try to make in a fresh ginger. So this ginger chutney is also called as allam chutney in Andhra. So you can eat this chutney with idli dosa or any idli dosa varieties also. It is a best chutney for morning breakfast. So now chutney is grinder, you can transfer this chutney to a bowl. Don't think that since we have added ginger we can't even eat, it will be too much spicy. It's not like that. Now season it with mustard seeds, broken urud dal, asafoetida, and add a few curry leaves. Transfer this to ginger chutney. A very nice ginger chutney is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the recipe, please subscribe, like and comment.